I'm Adom Adom TV no nuguso ahwe na brewie do se me da AGOKANSIE an se me bro me din atinyame ba Bernard Padibo twensha se fi Kumase Asante Kotoko onim se ombegina Ghana nemu ewe bibre mu bro mo ne work boy am lusu by 6-1 aggregate omo bi no yenti coach Karim Zito nka coach akasa ene no se ma to just san se lusu no de sinyama bibre ne fa so consistency ehu hia pa se wo so mo ebo homode na boboko no e fa no to mapa efra.
We lack a lot of things, but the most important is the consistency. We don't have. These things about 4 or 5 months, 5 to 6 months ago, we built. And then go back and look at the history of them. You can easily see that they are there for more than 3-4 seasons. And then it's about teamwork. It's not about individual players. So I didn't want to talk about it because it has a lot of factors. I'm not trying to find an excuse. It has happened. It has happened. So all what we needed now to be consistent in our team building, and then because consistency goes with quality as it goes. So when it started, the glass of injury, transfer set in, definitely you will not get a consistency. So I think the bigger this situation is the consistency.
Yes, I know. I need a copy of my home. I know say color party. Ola bawo. Memory the and a color party na chef. So, Mr. Color near ba kope. Color ni na academ. Color near ba kope white. Fita die Ghana die be obefibia obenya fita. Ntino, any sort na fie. Bra, oni enhwim bom. Color party 1st of November. Memory the year, I know patutu ni asha. So ni say ya linear programs be brede ma. Samini mini and so eba. Into be bia have done akomnia ya hwede ekoso yenko enim ni hwede ekoso a ye be na eni fa kire abem ni ahwe the minister in charge of communication edema aban no honorable Kwachi Ofusu ede atodwa say onim say Ghana ye money mono ekọ bibre mu ye nyade osisi the policy and eba ge money mu a Ghana ye kọ nyama bebre a ye be boy homode enti ese mo no so de tudwa.
But I think that efforts are still underway to ensure that the bill is finalized and then it comes to Parliament for consideration. Once it does, it will be subjected to the various processes so that when it becomes law, it is robust enough to meet the objectives for which it was drafted in the first place. Yeah.
And what is your hope about this bill? What do you hope that this addresses eventually?
Well, I think that we've had concerns about the state of Ghana sports, football, athletics, boxing, and what have you. The state of infrastructure, the incentive packages for athletes and other sports people. So my belief is that this bill will generate significant resources that enables us to invest in sports in a manner that yields the outcomes that we want, because we cannot.
As I know, in some copy more, na be dia AGOKANSIE no ense mesi asada kese en koma Jowen clothing and frozen foods no hen wa matare kama na nwumre se me fa AGOKANSIE ense me bro me din atinya me ba Bernard Padibo twebra kwaku eto aso.